Hi everyone, I am Srimati from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am working as an assistant professor in BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining Department. I am going to deliver a topic from Indirect Tax. The topic is Input Tax Credit. It is ITC. Here, the input tax credit is power of grant exemption from tax. We're going to discuss about, and also the sections also I will deliver about that exemptions of from tax, and explore the power of grant tax exemptions under India's GST framework. And this presentation navigates section 11 of CGST Act and section 6 of the IGSTs Act, and this is explore the power to grant tax exceptions under India's GST's framework, and these sections are critical complements of India's goods and service tax framework and enacted with GST implementation on 1st July 2017. Here, understanding of GST from exemptions in India's goods and service taxes. This is specifically defined about the goods or services on which GST is not leviable. This is the first understanding and definition of input tax credit based on GST. And the principles of GST is supplier can't change GST, but consumer pays no GST also. And this is standard principle, and this is the main topic of this lecture series. It is an input tax credit ITC. It is not available on input tax for exempt suppliers. Input tax credit is one of the key component of supply, and the distinctions of difference from zero rated, for example exports, SIT supplies where ITC is available. It is a zero related distinctions. And here the ITC is mainly contributed from CGST, the section determined in section 11 Act that specially mentioned about intrastate supplies. This intrastate supplies main authority from central government on GST Council recommendations, and the main scope of intrastate supply is exempt intrastate supplies of goods and services. Then the module operandi of intrastate supply is issue via official notification, always available, and the conditions of intrastate supply is exemptions can be unconditional and or conditional also. And the purpose of section 11 and intrastate supply is supports social welfare, small businesses, and easy of doing business. This is the main. And here the finally balancing act of section 11 is in CGST, the main dynamic of supply of concluding here of the powerful tool is section 11 CGST, and section 6 IGST is both are a dynamic powerful tool in GST supply section in India. And balancing act of revenue generation various social economic welfare is a main balancing act of this section 11 of CGST. And the review will be receiving in India is continuously. GST is a council updates exemption list is, and also the critical compliances are doing well in a business must classify supplies in accurately. Then the main framework of this section 11 CGST is a reflect respective tax policy for evolving framework of this section 11 GSTs and ICT supplies also. And I'll continue my next video regarding this ITC and also supply. Thank you.